Let's learn our letters. Come sing with me. A to J is fun, you'll see.
A is for apple. Shiny and sweet, juicy red apples are fun to eat.
B is for ball. Bounce up high, bouncing and rolling up to the sky. C is for cat. Soft and small, playful kittens having a ball. D is for dog. Running so fast, wagging its tail as it runs past. E is for elephant. Big and tall, splashing water for one and all. F is for fish, swimming around. Splish, splash, splish, in water they're found.
G is for giraffe. Tall, you see, reaching the leaves up in the tree.
H is for horse. Gallop away, running and jumping all through the day. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Come sing the letters every day.